Only when they are all up and ready will the matriarch lead them out of the shade, always keeping the herd together. But sometimes things go wrong. Occasionally, calves are left behind and wander around lost, testing each herd they approach. When he sees the matriarch and goes to greet the herd, this young male is turned away. His best chance of being found is to keep searching. Despite their good communication, these separations are inevitable. Newborn calves have begun to displace the older ones. Unbeknown to him, his real family is across the plain, heading into the forest. Suddenly, he finds himself among lions. Before he can turn, the juvenile is locked in a deadly game. But this time, innocence is matched by inexperience. The lions are young and seem more intent on experimenting than killing. Lions often prey on the weak, but this calf is lost, not ailing. A determined opponent with a thick hide, not easy to penetrate. But soon he tires, and the lions close in for the kill. Quite suddenly, the experiment is over. The lions are exhausted and lose interest. The calf responds, surprising the lions with his new zest for life. As they watch, he slips away. What emotions elephants feel during these struggles, we do not know. That they do feel something is quite apparent. Back in the bull area, when old